Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to go over is the rib cast on. And as you see here, it melts beautifully into the ribbing work here. So unlike the long tail cast on where you have that knit-like row when you do your cast on stitches, the rib cast on has this neat finish that you won't see that show up, but you'll have that nice melt into it. So if you know how to do the long tail cast on, you're ahead of the game. If not, reference that first and come on back to this video. But with the rib cast on, you're going to get a knit purl row if you're doing a 1x1, or if you're doing a 2x2 ribbon, you're going to get that knit 2, purl 2 right on your first row. So what you'll need to do this tutorial is grab your yarn, grab your needle that corresponds with your yarn, come on back, and we'll get to learn how to do the rib cast on. So when doing the rib long tail cast on, you need to create your tail just like you would with your regular long tail. So let's do, for this one, let's do 10 stitches. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get all that out the way there. So, all right. So the first thing you're going to do is put your needle right back onto your yarn. This is going to be your first knit stitch. Okay. Now you're going to take your index finger and your thumb and put that right through here. Okay. And create that slingshot just like you would do if you were doing a regular long tail cast on. Okay. And your 3 fingers should be hugging your yarn. Okay. So with the 2x2 rib, it's knit 2, purl 2. So again, this is going to be your first knit stitch. So let's create our second knit stitch. And that's going to be just doing the regular long tail cast on. So we're going to go up, down, and then back down again. Let go. Now you have 2 stitches on your needle. Now we need 2 purl stitches. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to do that same motion, but to go around your index finger instead of your thumb. So to do that, we're going to go up, down, and down. Let that go. And there we have it. That's our purl. So let's do that again. We're going to go up, down, and back down. Let go, pull. So now you see we've created 2 purl bumps. So we need, let's move on. Let's do 2 knit stitches. So with the knits, you're always going to do just a regular long tail cast on method. So that's up, down, and down. Knits are around the thumb, purls are around your index. Up, down, and down. Okay. So now we got 2 knits. So what do we have here? 2, 4, 6. Okay, let's do 2 more purls. So you're going to do up, down, and down. Let that go. You now have got a purl around your index again. Up, down, and down. And pull. Okay. So now we've got 2 knits, 2 purls, 2 knits, 2 purls. Okay. So let's just, for good measure, just do 2 more knits again. Up, down, and down. Up, down, and down. Okay. I think we can squeeze out another purl, another 2 purls. So we got a slingshot. So we're going to go up, down, down, purl, up, down, and down. Let it go. Oops. Okay. So now we ended with 2 purls. So 2 knits, 2 purls, 2 knits, 2 purls, 2 knits, 2 purls. Right there. So now you just turn over. And we're going to do our 2 knits, knit 2, purl 2, two knits, oops, 2 knits, 2 purls, two knits, and end off with 2 purls. Okay. Turn your work again and just finish the sequence to as many rows as you need. And that's how you do the rib knit long tail rib, the long tail, say that fast, the long tail rib cast on. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share, and follow, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.